Hi SuperFunners! Today you get to see the Lego Juice Bar. Give a thumbs up if you like Lego. There's Emma and Mia. Hi Stephanie. Hi Olivia. Hi Lily from Hello Kitty. Let's have an ice cream or a lollipop. Yummy! Come and have a juice with us, Hello Kitty. Hi Andrea, your juice bar looks great.
This is a hold-up, hands in the air.
Mia quickly throws her phone to Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty quickly calls the police and he comes straight away. He knocks the robber to the floor and leads him off in handcuffs. He thanks Hello Kitty for her quick thinking. Oh, the girls were glad to get out of there. Oh, thanks Hello Kitty, you saved the day. Andrea was most impressed with Kitty. Thank you so much, Hello Kitty. That was very quick thinking. Andrea and Hello Kitty had a lovely warm hug. The girls decided that they'd go home and come back another day. No, you don't. Come with me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. See you again soon.